सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला।
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप।
From the Republic Media Network headquarters, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate. Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
On the show tonight, the national pandemic of the luxury murders. At 8:30 p.m. tonight, the frustrated Pakistanis now seeking more money to play India. Why are we even talking to them? At 9 o'clock tonight, Himanta Biswa Sarma, the man who says his political rival is a Pakistani agent, he's joining me live. We have a pandemic, a new pandemic, ladies and gentlemen. And this pandemic is contagious. This pandemic is moving fast. And especially among the super rich people of the country, it is infectious. It is called the luxury murder pandemic. What is the luxury murder pandemic? It is when a person, very often a super rich brat or any super rich person, kills others, drunk with either liquor, drugs, or a deep sense of entitlement. There are people who believe that because they've become rich, they have a right to kill people. It's as clear as that. It's because they believe their lives matter more than the lives of people poorer than them. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday around somewhere in the afternoon, I'm told 1:45 to 3:15 p.m. is the time, a speeding Lamborghini Ruvuelto, valued at 10 crore rupees and registered in Delhi, lost control in the VIP road in Kanpur's Gwaltoli area. Now, what are you seeing here in the visuals? You're seeing three bouncers in black uniforms pulling out a person clearly not dead, but drunk, possibly drunk. Three bouncers pull out a drunk man. The Lamborghini number plate is DL11CF4018. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a deflated airbag which you can see on the driver's side window. There's only one person being pulled out of the car. There's no second person. There's no driver. There's nobody else. One man who seems completely out of his senses. Ladies and gentlemen, I show you visual 2. The visuals are showing in visual 2 the bouncers carrying the man who is at the wheels. His name Shivam Mishra. Shivam Mishra, remember the name, ladies and gentlemen, into a different car, an SUV away from the crowd, and from the Lamborghini he's taken to a luxury SUV. The bouncers settle him in the back seat. He's still drunk. He's still drunk. It's clear that the person being seated in the back seat behind the passenger seat by the bouncers. Visual 3, you can see three bouncers taking Shivam Mishra out of the driver's seat. Three people were needed to move one man out, which means he could have possibly been drunk. And visual 4, there is a crowd seen arguing with the bouncers in a heated manner as a throng of people surround the car to record on their phones. And let me tell you who the man is who's behind the wheels. This is a 45-year-old man. His father supplies tobacco to major tobacco users, pan masala manufacturers. He's worth hundreds of crores of rupees. And his name, ladies and gentlemen, is Shivam Mishra. If we can show pictures of Shivam Mishra, the person who had to be pulled out yesterday, his name is Shivam Mishra, and there he is in the lace t-shirt, standing next to his Rolls Royce and his Lamborghini. He's a rich brat. He's one who believes that because he is rich, he can drive a car possibly drunk and kill people. Because in India today, as we move towards Viksit Bharat, we are moving to an India where the gap between the rich and the poor has only widened, where the super rich believe they own the country and they can kill poor people. And I want to say there will be no Viksit Bharat if this is the destiny we are moving towards. The man is 45 years old. I'm not an ageist. I'm not an ageist. I am myself much older than that. But Barack Obama was President of India, President of America at 45. Ladies and gentlemen, at half that age, at the age of 24, Vikram Batra made the supreme sacrifice for the country in the Kargil war. And this man, Shivam Mishra, the latest person infected with the luxury murder pandemic virus, is 45 years old. If there are visuals which speak for themselves, let me show you another set of visuals, ladies and gentlemen. There is a visual which really struck me. And that visual is of the police outside the gate of Shivam Mishra after the media made a huge deal about it, and we said, why is action not being taken against this super rich brat? The police were standing helplessly outside Shivam Mishra's house, the accused house, and they were telling the media, these are rich people, they are not allowing us entry. And you know, viewers, what it reminded me of? It reminded me of the situation outside former Finance Minister Chidambaram's bungalow when the police had gone there wanting to arrest him. That's our reporter Shawan Sen running behind the police. The police had to run all around Chidambaram's house. They were not allowed entry to the house. Ladies and gentlemen, on the one side Chidambaram, a politically entitled man, and on the other side Shivam Mishra and his family, entitled because of sheer wealth. This case, which we've seen in Kanpur, is uncannily similar with the Pune case. You would remember, ladies and gentlemen, in Pune also there was a VVIP brat behind the wheel. That was also a luxury car. 2 people died. 2 people died, ladies and gentlemen. These are the visuals. Please never forget what happened just a few months back in Pune. In Kanpur also a VVIP brat was behind the wheel. In Pune, the accused is a son of a top realtor, businessman. In Kanpur, the accused is a son of a tobacco baron. So if you're a real estate baron and you're a tobacco baron, your children behind their super luxury cars can kill anyone at will. In Pune, the blood samples were botched up deliberately during the investigation. In Kanpur, no blood sample was taken at all. In Pune, the police helped the cover-up. In Kanpur, the police helped the cover-up. In Pune, low-level police people were suspended. In Kanpur, low-level police people are suspended. In Pune, the driver, who was not existent, was blamed for the incident. In Kanpur also, a poor driver was made the scapegoat, so that the rich brat can get away, you see. So that the rich brat can get away. This is what is happening in our country right before our very eyes. And I would like to appeal to the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath to himself take action in this case. For people would want the same bulldozer approach with this rich family. And Mr. Yogi Adityanath must send a message that however rich and powerful you are, however entitled you are, the bulldozer will spare nobody. Mr. Yogi Adityanath, this is my question to you. Here is a clear case, Mr. Adityanath. Yogi Adityanath, here is a clear case. When a big tobacco baron's son was peeping from the balcony after almost killing people. Your police, Mr. Yogi Adityanath, was behind the big gate. They were not allowed entry. The nation wants to know now, Mr. Yogi Adityanath, does the bulldozer also fall on these entitled people in Kanpur or not? Or will these people with their political and police connections want to get away? The law must be equal to all. And here is a clear challenge that has been put to the Uttar Pradesh government by a rich tobacco baron's son saying, so what if I almost killed people? I can buy and drive a 10 crore car. I can do what the hell I want. Mr. Yogi Adityanath, the bulldozer approach is aimed at sending a message that you cannot do what you want. And I supported the bulldozer approach. Mr. Yogi Adityanath, as the person who supported your bulldozer approach, I call upon you today to use that bulldozer against this tobacco baron and his potentially drunk son. I also call upon you to have a bulldozer approach against the police who stood there taking selfies next to the 10 crore Lamborghini when they knew that was an object from a crime scene. Mr. Yogi Adityanath, the question is simple. Does the bulldozer fall? Does the bulldozer approach apply to these rich people who think they can do what the hell they want in our country simply because they have a lot of money? I await an answer. We await an answer. We await action. Let's debate.
Two sets of visuals today showing how law works for the wealthy and powerful. On your screen, bouncers pulling out Shivam Mishra, son of a tobacco baron. He's being extricated out of his 10 crore Lamborghini on Kanpur's VIP road. Shivam, in this video, is seen escaping with his guards after hitting 6 pedestrians with his Lamborghini Revuelto.
हम अपने मित्र का इंतजार कर रहे थे, हमें जाना था करबला। वो मित्र हमारे आने पर नहीं का इंतजार कर रहे थे। गाड़ी जो है आई, ऑटो पहले बिलर पे टक्कर पड़ा, उसके बाद फिर ऑटो पड़ा, तो हमने देखा कि लगा जो है बचेंगे नहीं, हम हटे तो फिर हमारे भी हो गया।
Instead of investigating him, here's what the police was busy doing. Watch this video. The police busy posing with the luxury car involved in the crash. No FIR, no blood samples. The cover-up was in place.
सर क्या शिवम का नाम इसमें बढ़ाया गया है?
अभी मैं कुछ नहीं बता पाऊंगा। अभी मैं जो भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन में आएगा उसके बाद से मैं
सर लेकिन गाड़ी चालक वही था, उसको वहां से हटाया गया, इस पर क्या कहेंगे?
अभी फुटेज देखा जा रहा है।
सर फुटेज वीडियो में दिख रहा है, वो गाड़ी से चला गया है,
देखा जा रहा है, जो भी आएगा प्रकाश में किया जाएगा।
अब तक क्या उससे कोई क्वेश्चनिंग की गई? उसका ब्लड टेस्ट कराया गया सर? क्या वो ड्रंक था?
नहीं, अभी इसके बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं।
शिवम से संपर्क करने के लिए आए हैं, संपर्क अभी नहीं हो पा रहा है।
So brazen is this cover-up that the police went to the tobacco baron's house, knocked on his gate for the cameras, and left saying nobody's answering the gate. This is the same police that doesn't shy away from rolling the bulldozer on criminals.
फिलहाल इस पूरे मामले में देखना ये होगा क्या इस रईसजादे पर कोई कार्रवाई पुलिस करती है या नहीं करती है, चूंकि जिस तरह से हम देख रहे हैं 30 घंटे बीत जाने बाद भी अब तक कोई भी इससे पूछताछ नहीं की गई है, ना ही कोई पुलिस की टीम से अभी तक इस पूरे मामले में इसको थाने बुलाया गया। सिर्फ गाड़ी जो है जिस पर FIR थी वो थाने में खड़ी है।
The cover-up is so brazen that Republic cameras caught the driver, Shivam, on the terrace of the same house. Watch this. And minutes after the police left, the gates were opened, bouncers moved in, the police not even in the picture.
शिवम मिश्रा के घर के बाहर ये देखिए के मिश्रा का बोर्ड लगा हुआ है, इनके बाउंसर है। कल एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, आप थे वहाँ पर?
नहीं था।
क्या पुलिस आई थी आपको इन्वेस्टिगेशन?
थोड़ा खोलना।
क्या शिवम है? कहाँ गए? कहाँ गए शिवम? ये देखिए महंगी गाड़ियां अंदर खड़ी हैं और ये बाउंसर हैं। देखिए किस तरह से गेट बंद कर दिया गया है।
Over 36 hours since the crash, there is no action against the VVIP brat, and the driver is being blamed. Like in the Pune Porsche case, a VVIP brat on the wheel. Like in the Pune Porsche case, both drivers from influential families. Like in the Pune Porsche case, blood samples are being hidden. Like in the Pune Porsche case, police is part of the cover-up. Like in the Pune case, low-level cops are suspended and the driver is blamed. Is justice reserved only for the richest in India?
Vikram Singh and Subrashta are with us today. As concerned citizens, Anila Singh of the BJP and Abbas Haider of the Samajwadi Party. Anila Singh, this bulldozer approach kya ho gaya? It is not there in this case. Does this man have BJP connections? This tobacco tycoon, whose 45-year-old son almost killed 6 people. Does the tobacco tycoon have BJP connections? क्या बीजेपी कनेक्शन है इसलिए उनको बचाया जा रहा है? इस बार बुलडोजर क्यों नहीं चल रही है अनिला सिंह?
माय राम राम टू ऑल. नहीं मैं आपको जवाब देती हूँ, उत्तर देती हूँ. यू हैव आस्क्ड मी अ क्वेश्चन, सो आई एम गोइंग टू रिप्लाई. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू हाइड फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ योर क्वेश्चंस. Whether he votes for Bharatiya Janata Party or not, I cannot say that, because Bharatiya Janata Party doesn't forces anyone to vote for them. Willingly, if somebody votes for Bharatiya Janata Party, more than welcome, because that is why we are in power. We are the ruling government here. But I have to say one thing here. Rather, I'll say that I will state very, very clearly, under the leadership of Yogi Adityanath ji, Uttar Pradesh runs on the rule of law, not under any privilege, influence or speculation. Even in this case, you have seen that the immediate action was taken by the police.
No, it was not taken.
But if somebody says that...
No, it was not taken by the police. That's why I'm asking. 1 minute, ma'am. Please hold on. Dr. Vikram Singh put his hand up. The FIR is filed against an unidentified driver. But you have seen it. The driver is Shivam Mishra. Isme unidentified kahan pe hai? There are dozens of eyewitnesses, viral videos. I have shown the picture. He is being pulled out of the driver's seat. He is being pulled out of the driver's seat. पर आपके पुलिस ने, उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस ने उनको बचाने के लिए, मैंने कह रहा कि पैसा खाया है. कुछ और कारण होगा. I am not saying that they have taken money or done bribes. I have no proof to say that. But ये क्या है? Why is the FIR against an unidentified driver? Dr. Vikram,
if I may.
Yes.
May I submit that I was complimentary for exposing the rot in the lower ranks of the Gwaltoli and the Kanpur police, and there is only one explanation to this sordid episode that has happened: to facilitate the escape of this spoilt brat. And one reason, not including his name as a named accused in the FIR, allowing him to go scot-free and not getting the blood test done, delaying the blood samples so that the alcohol may disappear from the bloodstream, as also the fact that policemen are waiting helplessly outside the gates as if waiting for the doors to open. Since when have the police become so helpless? They should have just barged in and caught hold of Shivam and put him behind bars. And registering just a case of accident, it is culpable homicide, not amounting to murder. 105 of the Bharati Nyaya Sanhita carrying a punishment of 10 years.
So should the bulldozer apply? Where is the bulldozer approach here? जहां पे होनी चाहिए. Now, I've been very direct. Would the bulldozer approach have applied if he was a Muslim? Is the bulldozer approach only for Muslims or people who violate the law? Anila Singh, bulldozer approach को political instrument मत बनाइए.
Bulldozer can't roll on to the rich people's house.
No. You see, the driver is taken away, Subrashta, by private bouncers before any on-site medical examination or alcohol breath test can be conducted. Then we have a situation where the police is not allowed to enter the house. वो helplessly, can I show the pictures? Helplessly बाहर खड़े हैं, please हाथ जोड़ के हमको अंदर आने दीजिए. कब से उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस, योगी सरकार इतनी बेबस हो गई? सुब्राष्टा.
Arnab, this is a state of affairs everywhere in this country. Why single out just the UP government in this? It is absolutely shameless, the kind of visuals that we are seeing right now, that the police stood there taking selfies after that incident happened. And you are absolutely right. We know who the culprit is. And I don't think anybody should shy away from saying that in this particular case, just because he happens to be a rich man's son, he might even go scot-free. If one were to, look at the way in which the police is behaving in this case. This is not to say that the government will not come in action. This is not to say that, these kind of civic pressure does not work on politicians. It does. My question, and I keep raising this question time and again, Arnab, is we may even have the, political class coming up, responding, doing press conferences, ensuring that their voice is heard one way or the other. But what about those actual individuals on whose signature law moves in this country? If those whoever is there, in the lower rank of the police force, whosoever is doing this, will that person be responsible without one, a perfunctory
No, but there's a whole crowd, Subrashta. You see, if you look there, Abbas, Raman, there's a whole crowd, पूरे crowd और पुलिस के सामने आपने इस रिच किड को, किड पैसे पता है, he's 46 or 45, 46 years old.
Not a kid.
वैसे राहुल गांधी भी अपने आप को किड ही समझते हैं. But the fact is, how is this kid being taken out? And if you look at when he's taken out, Abbas, he is looking drunk to me. Raman, look here. One, he's in the driver's seat, Raman. Abbas. Secondly, he appears to be no control. If a person has an accident, you can pull yourself out. He has to be pulled out, which means he's not conscious, which means in a semi-conscious state, maybe intoxicated, he's driving this car. And he's pulled out. What was the police doing? Nothing.
I believe this incident has time and again shown to the people of India that the ugly truth of Uttar Pradesh under the Bharatiya Janata Party, where rich can speed through with impunity and the poor pay with their blood. This is what has happened. See, bulldozer cannot roll on to rich people's doorstep. It can only roll on to the poor people, to the marginalized people. And Arnab, these
do accidents happen with political intent?
Enter the house of a
what rubbish are you talking?
English person.
It's such a rubbish.
Spokesperson is
the
talking
person
about
is either intoxicated on this debate
issue.
or he's taken
more than
some
24 hours,
pill. I do
not even been arrested.
This gentleman
is not even in the
FIR. He's come on the debate unprepared,
Abbas,
unknown of the facts.
No.
Unaware of the circumstances.
See, in Uttar Pradesh, there are more than 46,000 cases of accident, road rage.
I'm asking again, Anila, you can tell me, you can confide in me. You don't have to tell anyone else, but you can tell me. His father is a supplier.
24,000 people
One
died
minute.
in road accident.
I'm talking to Anila.
The number has increased double fold.
Just share with me in confidence.
It was 12,000,
is there some BJP connection? Has he given money to the BJP? Is he a political donor for the BJP? I am told he has some BJP connection. Is this true or not true? The father. The father of the VVIP brat, is it not?
Then you can find yourself.
Why should I find yourself? You can tell me.
Then, no. You are asking me in confidence. I don't have any knowledge about the question which you are putting in front of me.
This is a textbook bias,
I have to tell you one thing here. Like time and again, continuously you are saying about bulldozer. Hold on. Hold on, Abbas.
I want to ask you.
Hold on. आपके समय पे क्या होता था? ना गाड़ियाँ सीज होती थी, ना फोर्सलेस जांच होती थी. बुलडोजर अगर इनका भी इलीगल बिल्डिंग खड़ी हुई है.
I'm told that his father. Let me ask you again, Anila. Shivam Mishra को अरेस्ट क्यों नहीं किया गया है? Why has Shivam Mishra not been arrested? 1 minute. Here's a test. See, 1 minute. Listen to me. I like the bulldozer approach. I have supported Yogi's bulldozer approach. Now I am asking you, will the bulldozer approach only be used in cases with the minority community? I am asking you here, the accused, his name is Shivam Mishra. ये है KK Mishra, जिनका नाम है मुन्ना मिश्रा. हाँ? मुन्ना मिश्रा इज द ओनर ऑफ बंशीधर टोबैको कंपनी, जो बड़े बड़े पान मसाला मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं, उनको सप्लाई करते हैं कानपुर में. मुझे बताइए, क्या मुन्ना मिश्रा और बीजेपी के बीच में कोई ताल्लुक है? ये सवाल है, बिकॉज अगर इसलिए उनको बचाया गया तो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं.
मुझे बताइए, हिंदू होना एक गुनाह है क्या?
मैं हिंदू
आप मुझे बताइए, हिंदू होना गुनाह है क्या?
इसमें क्या रेलेवेंस है?
योगी आदित्यनाथ जी जो है ये देखकर बुलडोजर एक्शन कराते हैं कि कौन हिंदू है कौन मुसलमान है, या जिसके जो
नहीं, मगर आपको नहीं लगता इस केस में 1 मिनट अब्बास, लेट मी आस्क अब्बास 1 मिनट. माय क्वेश्चन इज, डॉक्टर विक्रम सिंह प्लीज कम. डॉक्टर विक्रम सिंह ऑन द राइट. आप इसको हिंदू मुस्लिम मत करिए. माय क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, जिसके साथ आप थोड़ा नर्वस हो रही हैं. क्या मुन्ना मिश्रा और बीजेपी के बीच में कोई ताल्लुक है?
मैं नर्वस हो रही हूँ
जी हो रही है.
नर्वस वो होता है जो गलती पे होता है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी, द रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट.
तो मैं देखना चाहता हूं, ये फैमिली जिसके पास आप देखिए, आप बुलडोजर अप्रोच करिए, मैं सपोर्ट करूंगा। अगर ठीक काम के लिए करेंगे तो बुलडोजर अप्रोच करिए, मगर ये टेस्ट है आपके लिए। अनिला मेरी बात सुनिए, आपके लिए टेस्ट है। आप मेरी बात सुनिए ना अनिला जी, देखिए मेरी बात सुनिए। मैंने आपको सपोर्ट किया बुलडोजर एक्शन में, मगर जिसके घर में रोल्स रॉयस फैंटम, मैक्लारेन, पोर्श और लैम्बोर्गिनी है, इनके ऊपर बुलडोजर अप्रोच करने से डरते हैं क्या आप लोग?
अर्नब, आपके भी घर में लग्जरी कार्स होंगी?
नहीं, मेरे घर में कोई लैम्बोर्गिनी और पोर्श नहीं है। मैंने इनफैक्ट मैं आपको व्यक्तिगत बात बताऊं, एक विजुअल दिखाऊंगा। आई विल शो यू अ विजुअल। आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए। मैं अगर कल दारू पी के एक्सीडेंट करूं, आप जरूर मुझे अरेस्ट कीजिए। मैं कह रहा हूं, नो आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट। मगर कोई अगर दारू पी के दारू मदिरा, दारू, अल्कोहल, लिकर पी के गाड़ी ऐसे चलाए, मुझे ये बताइए आपकी उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस कहाँ थी? 1 मिनट अनिला जी आपको बहुत बुरी लग रही है क्योंकि आपसे कोई सवाल नहीं करता है। आपकी उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस कहाँ थी? रमन, बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक मत दो। आपकी उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस कहाँ थी जब सबके सामने इस 45 साल के बच्चे को गाड़ी से निकाला गया? आपकी पुलिस कहाँ थी जब 45 साल के इस नौजवान बच्चे को गाड़ी से निकाला गया, जब वो कोई मानसिक अवस्था में नहीं थे रिएक्ट करने के लिए, कि तब आपकी पुलिस कहां थी? सबके आंखों के सामने बाउंसर आ गए, ने लेके चले गए, आप लोग कहां थे भाई?
नहीं, आप
नहीं कोई जवाब नहीं होता। अनिला जी आप फंस गई आज।
लड़के का नाम
लड़का,
you have to allow me to answer if you think
लड़का, बराक ओबामा इसी उम्र में प्रेसिडेंट बन गया यूएस का, आप लड़का बोल रहे हैं? आपकी नहीं सहानुभूति क्यों है इसके लिए? विक्रम सिंह, दाल में कुछ काला है।
दाल में काला नहीं, दाल ही पूरी काली है। What is the subculture of bouncers? Number one, the entire escape route was paved by the lower rungs of the policemen, and they were absolutely helpless and supine in front of the gates of KK Mishra. I'm extremely sorry that they have not brought glory to the uniform or to the service. To the contrary, I had expected them. And to your first question about the bulldozer has been unsparing to all the lawbreakers, irrespective of the caste and community or any affiliation whatsoever. In this case, let me assure you that if there is a breach of law and if there is an occasion, bulldozer will roll at KK Mishra's also. Make no mistake about it. I can tell you from my experience and gut feeling that this is a distinct possibility.
ये कौन है भाई? ये मुन्ना कौन है? ये तंबाकू वाला मुन्ना कौन है? पूछता है भारत।
ये पैसे वाला है,
जिसके बेटे ने एक लैम्बोर्गिनी गाड़ी, 10 करोड़ की गाड़ी, 6 लोगों पर इतनी एक्सीडेंट करती। कौन है? आप लोग कितने वाई सो वरीड? आप कौन? सुब्रष्ट, दाल में कुछ काला ऐसा। वेयर इज द यूपी पुलिस टुडे? वेयर इज द बुलडोजर अप्रोच? वेयर इज इट? नथिंग। आई एम वेरी क्लियर. Ajit Pawar is no more, but listen to me. I questioned Ajit Pawar trying to help people in the Pune Porsche case. He did not do a good thing. अजीत पवार ने पुणे पोर्श केस में हेल्प करने की कोशिश की थी अक्यूज को।
अर्नब, उनके मुन्ना भैया के लड़के को तो घर भेजा जा रहा था, शिवम मिश्रा को कहा जा रहा था कि आई विल टेक ऑफ।
अनिला, व्हाई आर यू अनकंफर्टेबल? सुब्रष्टा,
बिकॉज दे आर सपोर्टिंग भारतीय जनता पार्टी, दे आर रिच।
आई एम नॉट अनकंफर्टेबल एट ऑल अर्नब, आई सेड इट वेरी क्लियरली। The lower police thana, the lower police personals in Thana who did not include Shivam Mishra's name.
अच्छा, lower police क्यों?
Action will be taken against them.
अच्छा, lower police क्यों? Why not upper police?
He has asked somebody to FIR was registered there in Thana. Initially they did.
चलिए, आपने एटलीस्ट माना कि आप लोगों ने वहां पे गलती की। पहली बात। सुब्राष्ट्र, लास्ट वर्ड टू यू।
आप लोगों ने क्या होता है भाई? आप लोगों ने क्या होता है?
आप लोग मतलब आप लोग सरकार में हो, आप लोग क्या होता है? मैं सरकार में नहीं हूँ, आप है
ना। नाम शिवम मिश्रा का।
शिवम मिश्रा को जेल में डालिए, डरते हैं आप वो करने से?
तो योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने कहा
सरकार गिर जाएगी क्या?
नाम मत लिखो, क्योंकि वो
नहीं, मैं नहीं कह रहा, मैं कह रहा हूँ योगी आदित्यनाथ कमांड दे, बंद करे। ऐसे लोगों को छूट नहीं मिलनी चाहिए।
क्या बंद करें?
इसको अंदर करो, शिवम मिश्रा को। अनआइडेंटिफाइड क्या केस है?
टोटली अग्री विद यू।
तो क्यों नहीं करे? अग्री है तो Why aren't you putting him in?
अब सजा तो कोर्ट देगा ना।
सजा कोर्ट, एफआईआर आप एफआईआर में नाम नहीं देंगे और सजा कोर्ट कैसे देगा? क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? एफआईआर में नाम ही नहीं डाला आप लोगों ने।
एफआईआर में नाम आया है।
नाम आया, अनआइडेंटिफाइड का नाम क्यों था?
क्या कह रहे हैं आप? नाम
अनआइडेंटिफाइड का नाम क्यों था इनिशियली? कहा क्या अनआइडेंटिफाइड? सबके आंखों के सामने इनको निकाला गया, आप बोले अनआइडेंटिफाइड। नहीं, आप लोगों ने सिस्टम का मजाक बना लिया, कैसे अलाउड हो सकता है? हम सवाल पूछेंगे।
बिल्कुल नहीं, कोई सिस्टम का मजाक नहीं बना हुआ।
तो अनआइडेंटिफाइड कैसे रहे एफआईआर में? एवरीवन ऑन।
सवाल पूछने चाहिए।
अब पूछ रहा हूं ना, मैं सवाल नहीं पूछूंगा तो क्या वो कॉर्पोरेट मीडिया पूछेगी? सुब्राष्ट्र,
कोई भी पूछे।
ब्लड सैंपल क्यों नहीं लिया आपने? ब्लड सैंपल क्यों नहीं लिया आपने?
शिवम मिश्रा।
ब्लड सैंपल क्यों नहीं लिया आपने? अनआइडेंटिफाइड क्यों लिखा सुब्राष्ट्र?
डू यू हैव एनी प्रूफ? How can you say that we are accomplished with Shivam Mishra? Do you have any proof?
So why have
of course I have proof, नहीं तो ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ क्या?
Why have you not taken bullet sample of Shivam Mishra?
Yes.
Arnab, it is a very...
I can quote 10 examples. I can quote 10 examples.
चलिए, next debate. We have next debate. कौन? Subrashta. Big debate.
It is a typical case in which Samajwadi Party would raise fingers at BJP, and BJP would want to, because I can totally understand Anila ji's position.
Why?
Till the time the sitting, city SP and the officers involved are actually given extreme instructions to just look at the word of law and not be influenced by and not be influenced. रुकिए ना भाई, आपके राज में क्या होता था ये भी पता है भाई साहब। कानपुर की गलियों में लड़ाई, इसीलिए आपको छुट्टी हो जाइए, आपको मत ही बोलिए। आप बोलिए भाई साहब, कानपुर में लोग निकल नहीं सकते थे, इसीलिए आप प्लीज लॉ एंड ऑर्डर पर समाजवादी पार्टी भाषण ना दे।
क्यों ना दे? क्यों ना दे? जो आज हर क्राइम उत्तर प्रदेश नंबर 1 है, टॉप पे है।
यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि जो 2016 वाले जो हैं, उन्होंने समाजवादी पार्टी को भी उतना ही पैसा दिया होगा जब ये पावर में रहे। आज बीजेपी को
Anyway, I will keep shouting about this. I will keep shouting about it till somebody who needs to listens. ये बहुत हो गया है। Yeah, I really want the Yogi government to ऐसा सबक सिखाएं इनको, शिवम मिश्रा और जो मुन्ना मिश्रा जो भी है, क्योंकि इफ यू बुलडोजर डज नॉट वर्क अगेंस्ट द सुपर रिच, देन बुलडोजर का क्या फायदा? लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आई विल मूव ऑन नाउ। आई थैंक माय गेस्ट फॉर दैट।
आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।